Are you ready to create a professional logo for your business? Look no further. In today's video, we will be covering the top 5 free logo design websites in the popular platform, Fiverr Logo Design. So let's get started. First on our list is Canva. This user-friendly website offers a wide range of templates and customization options. With their drag-and-drop feature, you can easily create a logo that reflects your brand identity. Best of all, it's completely free. Next up, we have Logo Maker. This website provides a simple and intuitive interface that allows you to design your logo in just a few minutes. Their extensive library of icons, fonts, and shapes will help you find the perfect elements for your logo. Moving on to free logo design, this platform offers a step-by-step logo creation process. Simply enter your business name and industry, choose from their wide selection of icons and fonts, and customize to your heart's content. You can even download your logo. For free, in a low-resolution format. Another great option is Hatchful by Shopify. This powerful logo maker is specifically designed for entrepreneurs and small business owners. It guides you through the process, asking about your business type and preferred style, and creates tailored logo options for you to choose from. Last but not least, we have Design Evo. This website provides a comprehensive logo design experience with its diverse range of professionally designed templates. You can easily customize your logo by adjusting the colors, fonts, and sizes to make it truly unique. And finally, if you're looking for a more personalized approach, Fiverr Logo Design is the way to go. With a network of talented designers, you can hire someone who will bring your vision to life. Whether you want a minimalist logo or a more intricate design, Fiverr offers a wide range of options to suit your needs. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your professional logo today with these fantastic free logo design websites and Fiverr Logo Design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.